Welcome to DEWBEYÚMUWE̡ Park. This park is more than just land by the river. It's a connection to our community. It has a bridge, literally and figuratively, connecting the park and our trails, our downtown, our neighborhoods.
Welcome. This is an honor to be here today to talk about DEWBEYÚMUWE̡ Park and the Washoe name for this place. This is a cool partnership with the Town of Truckee. Thank you to the town, thank you to the Truckee Donner Land Trust for creating the opportunity to bring our language back to place. The DEWBEYÚMUWE̡ Park has been a collaborative effort within the tribe, from our oldest elders to our youngest youth, to identify a name that would be meaningful and that would represent this place and our history here. The name itself means water running out and away. So when we talk about DEWBEYÚMUWE̡, we're talking about the Truckee River going down and one of the place names along the Truckee. So it's a really cool next step in our partnership with the tribe, returning something that's old to this place, but also envisioning a better future for us all.
When we set out to buy Truckee Springs to protect it as open space, we knew we needed to partner with the Town of Truckee, working here in the heart of our community. And so we had a volunteer committee that included Councilmember Clovestad and former Town Manager Tony Lashbrook. And the community really came together to fundraise to not only buy the open space across the river, Truckee Springs, but also to help fund the pedestrian bridge that connects the two parks together.
We at the town are just so excited and honored to bring this place, this park and this land to the community as a space to gather, connect, celebrate, and just enjoy the river and our downtown and our trail system. The park has some great opportunities. You can come down here, have lunch. You can sit and look at the great new sculptures and art that's in here. Just enjoy the peacefulness of the river. The river really is core to our community. It's part of our character and it connects all of us, and the park celebrates that.
We're really grateful to work with the town on this and future projects, and really look forward to the public getting out here and enjoying these beautiful spaces.